I'm really excited about this new book that my sister and brother-in-law just sent for the kids. It's an adorable story about the Vasilopita tradition called The Lucky Cake by Anna Prokos, illustrated by Christina Tsevis. I'm going to read that for you right now. The Lucky Cake. Billy's favorite holiday finally arrived. It's New Year's Day, he cheered with excitement. We get to eat Grandma's cake. Billy had waited all year for the special cake his yaya baked. It was soft and round and delicious. Best of all, it held a shiny secret inside. Yaya placed the New Year's cake in the center of the table. A scrumptious smell filled the air. Billy's family hurried to set their eyes on the Vasilopita. It looks perfect, Papu told his wife as he prepared to cut the holiday pita. He carefully held the knife over the center of the cake. Who will get the lucky coin this year? Billy waited anxiously for his grandfather to make the first cut. He eyed the cake, hoping to spot the golden coin, but the flori was nowhere to be seen. Last year, Billy's brother Zach won the coin, and he had an awesome year. The year before, his brother Chris was the fortunate one. Billy was beginning to think he would never be lucky. Papu began by cutting 3 pieces. This piece is for our church. The second slice is for our home. And the third piece is for Saint Basil, he said. Who's that? Billy asked. And why does he get our cake? Saint Basil the Great lived a long time ago, Papu explained. One day, a greedy ruler demanded that every villager give him their gold. He took their rings and jewels and coins. Saint Basil felt sorry for the villagers. He begged and begged the ruler to give back their belongings. When he finally agreed, the ruler dumped all the treasure into Saint Basil's arms. Saint Basil didn't know who everything belonged to, so he made a giant cake and put all the treasures into the batter. He invited the villagers to church, where they cut the cake together. The saying goes, Yaya revealed, that the villagers each found their own jewels in their piece of cake. So to honor him, we bake a coin into the Vasilopita and we cut a piece for Saint Basil, Papu said. Billy couldn't wait another second. That's a great story, but can we please just cut the Vasilopita? I've been waiting all year for this. Papu winked and continued. He cut pieces in order from the oldest member to the youngest. Papu got the first piece and Yaya got the next. Then Billy's dad and mom, Zach and Chris, got their pieces of pita. Finally, Papu cut the final piece. This slice goes to you, Billy, the youngest person in our family, he said with pride. Enjoy. Billy bit into the wedge. Clink! His tooth hit something hard. A shiny speck glittered through the crumbs. I got the coin! I got the coin! Billy shouted. Everyone gathered around Billy to see the golden New Year's coin. The whole family hugged him and kissed him on both cheeks. They were especially happy for him. I wish you a healthy and happy New Year, Billy, Papu said. Don't forget Lucky, Papu, Billy said. Oh, Billy, laughed his grandfather. Do you think you need a coin for luck? Just look around you. Billy looked over at the dining room table. All the people he loved were happily gathered together, sharing stories and eating their delicious lucky cake. You're right, Papu. I am the luckiest kid in the world. He paused for a moment. But just to be safe, Billy slipped the coin safely into his pocket. Then he took another bite of his Vasilopita. I can tell, Billy said as he licked his lips, I'm going to have a very lucky year. The end. And then they gave their family's Vasilopita recipe, which is great. And there's a little bio about Anna and Christina. Very sweet book. Happy New Year. Good luck on getting that coin. Bye.